Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is June the 25th, 2025, and let's talk small green lentils. Now, I had an interesting conversation the other weekend here, a couple of days ago, actually. I don't want to exaggerate too much of where we thought the prices could go on small green lentils, and one of the buyers I talked to suggested 25 to 30 cents so in the new crop. So that's interesting, and that supports my bearish sentiment that I have across all my time frames. This is the member area of our website, and where we track our analysis to be transparent, and we benchmark it against two key indicators, or two key benchmarks. I guess the proper term to use would be the average price index for the year, price index average for the year, and the price index high of the year. So our goal is to beat the average and to be within 90% of the high price of the year. So we've had success with that the previous 2 years. This year, we had our sell signal at 49 cents. The average price for the year is sitting right at 49 cents. That sell signal was published back in February, and it was triggered with a new low below 49 cents. The average price, or the current price, is roughly around that 30 cents mark. That's what the index price is at. So our sell signal is 13 cents above the index, our current price, and right on the average price for the year. 89% off our index high of the year. Previous couple of years, we've beat it by 94 to 97 cents. And last year, I think we beat the average price by 5 cents. So this year, right on the average, but we're keeping it off of those lows that we're currently seeing in the price. Take a look at the chart here. And this is the monthly small green lentil, so the Klarenbach price index for Saskatchewan. And yeah, it is interesting here. So we're testing this lows back here in August of 2022. I'm convinced that it's going down to test this Fibonacci level, the 61.8 bib level down here at 34 cents. That aligns up perfectly with the 200-month moving average here in purple. I think it's just inevitable. It's getting down to that level. The buyer I talked to suggested that there anticipates 25 to 30 cents for new crop in the new year. That's quite a bit lower than what we're seeing. But take a look at this here. That 25 cents lines up with this previous supply level back here in 2020. So that's interesting enough. And the 30 cents, of course, we have to go back. But it's a round number, so that could very well act as support. But this is why I'm bearish. This thing, to me, looks like it's going lower. Let's look at the weekly chart here and just put on the line chart. And we published this a while ago. We anticipated, here's our sell signal back here. Let's take that one over again. It should have been up here higher, but nonetheless, that's where we're at. And I had this green area marked here as a level of interest where I anticipated the price to go, and that level is between 34 and 38 cents a pound. I don't think we're quite there. My index price isn't quite there yet, but I anticipate that to be the next level. That's based on a Fibonacci retracement from getting us to the low back here. What year is that? 2019, 2018 to the high here in 2024. That's going to act as a magnet, but if it drops below there, then we're looking at 28 cents. That's probably aligns nicely with that 30 cent level the buyer was talking about. And then you can see here this next fib level down here with this previous support at roughly 25 cents, 24 cents. So yeah, we're bearish small green lentils until we start seeing some support in the price. And we're not seeing that at the moment, in my opinion. We anticipate the price going lower. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.